Okay guys, so these are the majority of my bottled inks. I have like some Winsor and Newton ones, really cute. Some of the Speedballs, these tall Jane Davenport glass bottles, and I've been storing them in this box, and it looks ugly to me, for one. Two, it's kind of like I don't really use them often because it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind. So I really wanted to come up with a storage solution, and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be using for this DIY. So the items we're going to need for this DIY are 2 of these candlestick holders, 3 of these aluminum trays, and I just spray painted these. I'm going to link below in the description box my Dollar Tree haul where I show how these look without the spray paint, in case you guys want to look in Dollar Tree and see if you can find them. But they were just a silver tray, and I just spray painted it gold and went over it again with the glitter gold. My husband did this for me. I just didn't like the way that the gold looked at first, so that's the reason for me spray painting it with the glitter. And what I like about it is that it's gonna match my DIY magnet tray. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it below in the description box also. And then last, you're gonna need some E6000. So guys, really simple, very cheap. The total of this, I already had the E6000, but if you guys want to get some of this, I believe it's under $5. I want to say it's like $3 or $4. You can get it at Walmart or your crafting stores. And I hear really good things about the glue and Dollar Tree. I think it's called like Fix It All or something like that. But the total cost for this is $5. Everything was $1 each at the Dollar Tree. So 3 trays and the 2 candlestick holders, $5. Awesome deal for this beautiful tray that we're gonna make. Okay guys, so this DIY is gonna be so simple. All we're gonna do is, sorry guys, I'm trying to decide which one I want to put on the bottom. So all we're gonna do is glue this here with your E6000, and you want to find the middle point of it. See if you can open this, baby. I just did my nails. I don't want to mess them up. But you want to try to find the middle of it. You can grab a ruler. Can you get it? Don't put your mouth on there. Okay, I'll get it. And the good thing about this E6000 is that once you put it on, you can move it. It takes a little while to dry. Hey everyone, so this is how it turned out. Let me kind of go back so you can get a good glimpse. So that is how it turned out. I ended up not being able to record the process because I just didn't think that you guys would be interested in seeing me putting glue and putting them together. But basically all I did was put E6000 on the bottom of this candlestick holder and centered it. Once I thought it was centered, I grabbed my ruler and I measured to see how far it is from here to here. That way I can get an accurate measurement on both sides to make sure that it was right in the middle. I placed some glue here and adhered this one. It was kind of hard because I glued this here, glued that there, and then right away I glued this here and put this here. And it was really hard. I would suggest that you guys do them separately. If I could do it over again, I would have glued these 3 pieces together. And then I will glue this separately, let them dry, and then glue these 2 together. because it was really hard to get it like all centered, and you know, when the glue's wet, it was like sliding and stuff. And another tip that you guys should do is put something really heavy on top once you're done gluing it, so that the glue can really set. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way that this came out. Hopefully this footage isn't too wobbly. And let me show you how it looks with the inks on it. Guys, so this is how it looks with my inks on it. I'm really happy with it. I was able to fit these golden acrylics here perfectly. These were a little bit tight, but they fit just fine. And I put my little Winsor & Newton inks on top. I have room for a lot more, and it definitely is strong enough because these inks, they don't weigh too much. I put on my heavier ones on the bottom, the glass ones on the very bottom. But yeah, this DIY can be used for so many different things. I tried to put these craft paints, but they were too tall. It didn't fit here. You could definitely put some on top, but I'm gonna probably do a different storage system for those. But yeah, guys, this can be used for so many different things. You can use it to serve cupcakes. You can put your nail polishes on here. Like, you can put other art supplies. But I'm really happy with the way that this turned out once again. And this DIY only cost me $5. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you found this useful. And I'll see you guys next time. This is the way that my two DIYs came out. I'm so happy with the both of them. I hope that you guys really found these useful. I will link below in the description box this DIY magnet tray that I created in case you haven't seen it. And if you guys are inspired by any of these DIYs and you create one of your own, I would love to see it on my Facebook group. I'll leave a link below. Just send me a request to that group, and you guys can share pictures there of however you created it. If you did a different color or if you used it for something else in your house, I would love to see it. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not, please do subscribe. And if you are, make sure you tap the bell so you can get notifications each time that I post.